Welcome everyone, and thank you for watching. We're going to be making a very delicious and easy, simple chicken with hot oil sauce today. Wash and drain 3 chicken drumsticks. Squeeze and remove any blood that you see on the chicken drumsticks. Place the drumsticks into a pot of water, add 1 green onion or scallion and 2 slices of ginger. Bring the water to a boil. Once the water comes to a boil, put the lid on and let the chicken sit in the hot water to cook for 15 minutes. Cut the bottom part of the green onion or scallion into long pieces. Then use the green top part and dice that for a garnish. Cut 1 small onion into large chunks. Crush 6 cloves of garlic. You will need 7 to 8 slices of ginger. I like to use the filtered cold water from the refrigerator for the cold water bath. Place the chicken drumsticks in the cold water bath for 10 minutes. Pick small pieces of meat off the bone. As you can see, the meat is super moist and juicy as it is cooked in the hot water. Breaking the meat into smaller pieces allows the meat to soak up all the flavor from the sauce. Do not overcook the chicken. The meat will become rubbery and dry. Now let's make that beautiful sauce for our chicken. Add 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce to a small bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce to the bowl, and add half a teaspoon of salt. Add a 1/4 cup of oil to a pan on high heat. Toss in the onion, garlic, ginger, and green onion or scallion into the pan and saute. This will release all the beautiful flavor into the oil and make it very fragrant. Drain the oil into your sauce bowl and mix well. Garnish the chicken with the diced green onion or scallion, then drizzle the sauce onto the chicken. The sauce makes the chicken taste super delicious, and it's so moist, delicious, and juicy. This will go great with a bowl of fresh steamed rice. I hope you get a chance to try out this delicious, simple, and healthy recipe. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.